whatever, man. Sounds good. We'll put that in there. So that's the story behind that one. COVID was back in 2020, and that was a hard time for a lot of us. I know that. And got together with my buddies. That was a time where we were all writing songs and really not knowing what it was going to be for artists whenever we came out of that. You know, it was like, what are live shows going to look like? What are we going to do? So we said, man, let's write a song about how we're feeling right now. And typically what we do, and welcome to writing, right? But we said, hey, let's write this about kind of a guy that's waiting for something good to happen, looking for the light at the end of the tunnel. So we wrote this song. It's called Waiting on the Rain. There's a driveway and a brick mailbox, an empty house with a broken clock, and a water bill is way past due. The flowers can't push through the dirt, and the factory's left out with the word, but hey, that ain't nothing new. So now I'm waiting on the rain, just wasting all these hours in my day. It's been dry for all these years, there ain't nothing left round here. So I'm just waiting on the rain. Well, the preacher man, and he came to town and said, if you lay your money down, I can help you wash away all your sins. Well, a holy man sure knows how to lie, and a soldier still knows how to die. But for me, I just want to know how it ends. So now I'm waiting on the rain, just wasting all these hours in my day. It's been dry for all these years, there ain't nothing left right here. So I'm just waiting on the rain. Well, now I don't mind the sun. No, I don't mind the sun. Tell you I don't mind the sun. Yeah, when it's for everyone. So now I'm waiting on the rain, wasting all these hours in my day. It's been dry for all these years, there ain't nothing left round here. So I'm just waiting on the rain. The end of times is coming soon, and all that's in this empty room is the last thing that I said. So fill the taxi to the top, 'cause you know we ain't got time to stop, 'cause there's mouths that need fed.